hope that helps. And if you are getting value, please like, follow, and share this with your friends, especially yung mga kailangan ng mga tulong na severe hip and knee arthritis. Question number 4, Doc, bakit nagdi-dislocate yung hip? And this is a very interesting question kasi isa sa mga complication ng hip replacement ay yung tinatawag na hip dislocation. Yung lumalabas po yung ball at saka sa socket. It can happen because sometimes lumalabas yung range of motion ng hip. It's usually in the early phases of recovery and depende din po yan sa approach ng hip replacement. You can approach it from the side, the back, or the front, and hindi yan always na nagdi-dislocate naman. It's very rare na magkakakomplikasyon yung mga hip replacements, but every patient is different, and that's why you need to talk to your surgeon, your doctor, and get advice kung meron kayong nafe-feel na kakaiba sa hips nyo po. Setbacks are not failures. Part lang yan ng healing. If you are concerned with a hip dislocation, talk to your surgeon.